So what is the formula of volume of sphere, Dhwani?
So 4/3 pi r cube.
4/3 pi r cube. Then curved surface area or total surface area of hemisphere both means
So 4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. When we talk about hemisphere,
So
what
volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube.
2/3 pi r cube. Curved surface area
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Total surface area
3 pi r square.
3 pi r square. Very good. So now if you see this, whenever you get time, you can read about the theory part and all. So they have very beautifully they explained everything. So just the diameter is given, we can find the what area. So in term of diameter, what is the formula of Dhwani? What is the curved surface area of a sphere in term of diameter? So if diameter is given 7, I have to find the curved surface area. I don't want to convert in radius.
So 4 pi d.
4 pi d. नहीं बेटा. So here this is 4 pi in place of r. If you write r is d/2, na? So if you write this, this become 4 pi d square by 4. It's like pi d square. So if your diameter is 7, so if your diameter is 7, then pi is 22/7 and diameter is 7. So this become 154 meter square. Simply you can do in the term of radius, nothing to worry, but simply I'm just told you. This one, Dhwani, example 10 answer, do this.
Yes, sir. Sir, the curved surface area will be 49.28 meter square. So the cost will be 24,640.
So this here, why you have not included this 3 pi r square formula? Why you have taken 2 pi r square formula?
So because only the rounded
Dome,
surface,
because it
the
is
dome should be painted.
yeah, because in the question it is given that the hemispherical dome of the building need to be painted. They have not talked about complete everything. So anyway, whenever you do painting, you cannot do that inside painting, no? Because if you imagine as a dome, as like something, so the base thing is empty. When anything, any building which is having a hemispherical dome, for them the base would be empty. So there's no logic of 3 pi r square here. This would be 2 pi r square only. Then talking about cost, Dhoni, here they've given you the
So
cost.
it's given in centimeter square, so you have to convert it into meter.
Yeah, we convert this into meter square. So 100 centimeter square cost is given 5 rupees.
5. So 1 meter will be 500 rupees.
Yeah, so we know that 1 meter square. So we know
Yes, sir.
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So 100 centimeter square is 5 rupees. So 10,000 centimeter square will be 500 rupees. So that is 10,000 meters centimeter square means 1 meter square is equal to 5 rupees. So whatever the area we got, we multiplied it by 500. Okay, so we'll take pi as 22 by 7 and we'll try to solve this question. So यहाँ Dhoni, in question number 2, in surface area, you use the formula pi d square just for your practice purpose. Okay?
So the first one is 1386 centimeter square.
10 से 4 pi 1386 centimeters square. 10.5 better write 21 by 2. Then 21 is divisible by 7. It will make more sense for us.
Yes, sir. So the second one is coming in decimals.
56, you can write 56 by 10 or 28 by 5. And then, yeah, if it comes like, let it be. You can't do it.
So it's coming 394.24 centimeter square.
Okay. So only thing here, what I want that 50 is 5.6. You write 56.
56 by 10.
You can divide 56 by 7. You can make it 8. So if it coming in decimal, they have done like that. Third one, 14. So 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 14. So
7 and 14,
22
22,
into
44.
2. So 22
So
8s are.
2464 centimeter square.
Okay, 14. Yeah, 14, 14. No, my mistake. So 22 into 4 into 22 into 2 into 14. Yeah. So that will come big number. Yeah. So for the question number 2, use that formula, Dhoni, pi d square. Don't convert
Pi d
it
square. Okay.
radius. So you do
Okay, sir.
on diameter. For use a formula pi d square. So 22
So
by
616 centimeters square.
okay. Yeah, pi d square you can directly use 616. Okay. So second one 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 22 into 3 into 21. 21 into 22 is how much? 441 plus 21. That would be 462. 462 threes are 462 threes are 618. 1
So 1386
8 6.
centimeters square.
Yeah, centimeters. 3.5 you can write 35 by 10 or 7 by 2. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 get cancelled. So 22 by 2 means 11 into 7 by 2. 77 by 2. 77 by 2 means
38.5
30.5 meter square.
centimeters square.
Meter square.
It's okay, yeah, me. No, sir, centimeter only, no?
मीटर लिखा हुआ है दोनों क्वेश्चन में 3.
Oh, okay. So in my textbook, it's given centimeter.
मुझे नहीं पता this I downloaded from NCERT so that
So my text in my textbook,
leave
it is
it
in.
down. So total surface area of hemisphere कितना था 3 pi r square. Here in pi we have to use 3.14.
So 3 into 3.14 into 10 square 100. So that will
Pi
be
into 10 100. So
yes, sir.
314 threes are 14 threes are 42 942.
So 942 centimeters.
Centimeters square. Correct. The radius of a spherical balloon increased from 7 to 14.
So we can take radius 1 as 7 and radius 2 as 14.
Mm-hmm.
So we can write the ratio as 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. So that will become r1 by r2 square whole square, which is 7 by 14 whole square, which is 1 by 2 whole square, which is 1 by 4. So 1 is to 4.
हाँ, so धोनी यहाँ पे अपने को ये बात समझना है कि R1 by R2 1:2 है. R1
yes, sir.
is 1:3 2 है. तो अगर एरिया की बात करेंगे तो हम स्क्वायर कर देंगे. अगर वॉल्यूम की बात करते तो हम लोग क्यूब कर देते उसको. I would have asked us what is the ratio of the volume, then your answer would have been 1:8.
1:8, yes, for cube.
So the ratio of radius is given 1:2. So the ratio of surface area is 1:4. Ratio of volume would have been 1:8. Question number 5 में जैसे ही मैं देखूंगा the moment I see it is written like the cost is given 16 rupees per centimeter square, तो मैं सबसे पहले देखूंगा कि हेमिस्फीयर का डायमीटर रेडियस का यूनिट क्या है, सेंटीमीटर है. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं चाहूँ तो उसको डायमीटर में सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ. मुझे एक्चुअली कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकालना है, दैट इज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. आर की जगह मैं d/2 डालूंगा तो मैं फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा पाई d स्क्वायर बाई 2. मैं वो फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकता हूँ. या डायमीटर को रेडियस में कन्वर्ट करूँ So 10.5 डिवाइड बाय 2 हो जाएगा 5.25 and then I'll apply the formula 2 pi r square. 5.25 will be divisible by 7. ये चीज मुझे पता होनी चाहिए. So I'll use that 5.25 को मैं 525 by 100 लिख दिया, डिवाइड बाय 7 करूंगा तो मेरा कितना आ जाएगा, मेरा आ जाएगा 575 आ जाएगा. So 2 pi r square में लगाऊंगा तो 2 into 22 into 75 by 100 into 525 by 100. So 75 by 100 को मैं 3 by 4 लिख सकता हूँ. 525 by 100 को मैं 105 by 20 या 21 by 2 लिख सकता हूँ. So that way फिर जो भी मेरा एरिया आएगा वो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है कि 16 रुपीज है पर 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.
So it'll be 16 into 173.25 by 100.
हाँ, जो भी एरिया आया into 16 डिवाइड बाय 100.
So 20, it's coming in decimals.
हाँ, जो भी आया तो जो भी आएगा.
27.72 rupees.
ओके. So question number 6, the surface area is given to
3.5 centimeter.
3.5. सेवेंथ वन फिर वही चीज है, डायमीटर का रेशियो दिया हुआ है 1:4, तो रेडियस का भी रेशियो 1:4 ही रहेगा.
Yes, sir.
तो सरफेस एरिया का रेशियो पूछा है तो 1:16 हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
एट्थ में ऐसा दिया है कि द हेमिस्फेरिकल बॉल इज मेड ऑफ स्टील 0.25 सेंटीमीटर थिक, इनर रेडियस दिया है 5, तो आउटर रेडियस हो जाएगा 5.25. 5.25 मतलब 525 by 100 मतलब 105 by 20 मतलब 21 by 2. अपने को ऐसे समझना है. तो आउटर रेडियस है 21 by 2. तो आउटर कर्व सरफेस एरिया क्या हो जाएगा 2 पाई 21 by 2 का होल स्क्वायर. कितना आ जाएगा इसका आंसर दोनों?
So which one?
एट्थ वन.
Yes, sir. So the eighth one is, I'm getting it in decimals again.
2 pi 21/2 का whole square. So this is 2 pi 2 into 22/7 into 21/2 into 21/2. This is 3. ये कट गया. This is 11. Decimal में है.
Yes, so I'm getting 173.25 centimeter square.
ऐसा क्या? Decimal में मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? So the outer radius हो जाएगा इसका 5.25. Correct ना मैंने?
Yes, sir.
The radius हो जाएगा 5.25. 5.25 मतलब 525.
So we have to find the formula for the outer curved surface will be 2 pi
That is
r square.
2 pi r square बोली वही लगाया.
Yes, sir. So
तो
2
ये हो
into
जाएगा
2.
105. हाँ 2 pi r square. So
Yes,
इसमें
sir.
105/20 लिखा. अच्छा 105/20 होगा.
20.
तो ये हो जाएगा 21/4. अच्छा 21/4 है. Sorry my mistake. 2 into 22/7 into 21/4 into 21/4. तो ये कट गया. ये हो गया 11. ठीक है. या ठीक. ये हो जाएगा 3. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 30. इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ 63 into 11/4. 63 into 11 होगा आपका 693 डिवाइड बाई 4. ये हो जाएगा 1 29 7 13 3 10
25.
173.
Yes, sir.
ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 क्या है? ए राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर just enclosed a sphere of radius r. Find the surface area of sphere. तो ये रेडियस r है. तो सिलेंडर का रेडियस r है तो इसका भी रेडियस r ही होगा.
Yeah, the spare also will be r, sir. Then
Like this. So the cylinder का रेडियस r है तो स्फीयर का भी रेडियस r होगा.
r. Yes, sir.
ये we can understand. So we can understand like this. So सिलेंडर का जो हाइट होगा, सिलेंडर का हाइट विल बी 2r. सिलेंडर का रेडियस
2r. Yes, sir. So the radius will be
is given
r.
r and the
So the CSA will be 4 pi r square.
curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. So that is
4 pi r
pi r into 2r. So this is
4 pi r
pi r square, which is the curved surface area of sphere. Ratio of the area obtained, दोनों का area same ही रहे.
So 1:1.
1:1. इनका area same रहे. अभी हमने निकाल के दिखाई दिया दोनों का area same है. Volume of cuboid होता है length into breadth into height. उसका diagonal होता है under root L square plus B square plus X square. Volume of cube होता है A cube. Cube is the 3-dimensional square, while cuboid is a 3-dimensional rectangle. ये बना example 11.
Yes, sir. So 4167 bricks.
How you did this, Jonu?
Oh yes, sir. So it's given the length, thickness, and height is given. So first we'll find the volume, which is length into thickness into height, which is length into breadth into height.
Mhm.
So which that will be 1000 into 24 into 400 centimeter cube.
Mhm.
So then the each brick is a cuboid. The length, the breadth, and height is given. So we'll find the volume of that as well. 24 into 12 into 8. So that, and then the number of bricks will be the volume of the wall divided by the volume of each brick.
And here we need to take care of unit because the bricks are given in centimeter and few wall units are given in meter, few in centimeter.
Yes, sir. So when you convert 10 meter into centimeter, you get 1000 centimeter.
Yeah, and that 4 meter, 400 centimeter. So
Yes,
I
sir.
write everything in centimeter.
So, but
10 meter.
when we solve the number of bricks required, like when we do 1000 into 24 into 400 divided by 24 into 12 into 8, I get the answer in decimals. So I just rounded it off.
Is it? Are you getting an decimal? So in book they've given what? Same value?
So I got 4166.6
Yeah. So bricks cannot be in decimal.
decimals because it's a whole.
That's why
So
they rounded it off to 416. Very good, Tony. So then, then this is given like this. You can see this. This is a good question. If you see, that is more than enough. So edge of one cube is given 3 centimeter. So we can find the volume of each cube. That would be 3 cube means
3 cube 27
and there
centimeter
15 cubes are there.
So 27 into 15.
We'll get the total volume. So we can do. So like question number 1. So there's a matchbox is given having dimension 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. So find the volume of 12 box means 12 into 4 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. So 2.5 I can write 5 by 2, 1.5 I can write 3 by 2. So 12 into 4 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. I can solve, I'll get the answer. Clear, Nadhoni?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2, it is given like a cuboidal water tank, 4 meter, 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, 4.5 meter deep. So length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter, height is 9 by 2 meter. How many liters of water it can hold? So here I need to find the volume. So the volume, what I'll get in meter cube. So the volume will be 6 into 5 into 9 by 2. So the volume I'll get is 3 into 5 into 9. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 nines are 135. I'll get 135 meter cube volume. Now I know that 1 meter, we know this now. We have discussed already when we talked about density chapter. So 1 meter cube. Normally when I say 1 meter is 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. We have done all this. So 1 meter cube will be 1000 decimeter cube. And we need to remember 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Similarly, we need to remember 1 liter of 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Where we need to remember 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So with this, we need to remember 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, or we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. I hope you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
So the volume, whatever we got, I think I got the answer 135. So 135 meter cube, if I convert into liter, so 135 into 1000. So that will be my volume in liter. Any calculation mistake, anything wrong?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this question number 3, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, sir.
question number third, volume is given. We'll simply divide it by 10 and 8. So if I
So
divide,
4.75 meter.
okay, so if I divide by 10, I'll get 38. Then 38 by 8 means 19 by 4. 19 by 4 means 4.74. Question number 4.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm getting rupees 4320.
Cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, and 3 meter deep at the rate of 30 rupees per meter cube. So we'll find the volume.
Yes, sir. 144 meter
Multiply
cube.
with, I'll multiply it with 30. So I'll get the cost in rupees. So
Yes, sir.
5, the capacity is given liter. So if it given 50,000 liter means how much meter cube? 50,000 liter is equal to how much meter cube?
50,000 liter.
Is equal to how much meter cube? 1 meter cube is equal to how much liter? 1,000.
1,000. Yes, sir. So 20.
50,000. Uh, so 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liter. So
Yes, sir.
so so
50.
50,000 liter is equal to 50,000
50.
by 1,000 meter cube. I hope
Yes, sir.
so. 50,000 liter is equal to 50
50
cube.
meter cube.
So this so I got the volume 50 and I'll simply divide by 2.5 and 10 to get the breadth.
So 2.
2.5, 5 by 2, 2.5, and this is 10.
So 2 meter.
2. That's it. Question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000 require 150 liter of water per head. So what is the total volume of water required? That is 150 into 1,000 by 150 into 4,000 by 1,000. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
What in meter cube? So it means 150 into 4 meter cube. 150 into 4 means 600 meter cube.
Yes, sir.
So 600 divided by 20 into 15 into 6. 600 divided by, so if how many days it will stay? So 600 or 6,000? 150 forza 600. No? Yeah. So
So
divide.
600. Wait.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is 100. This is 5za. This is 5za. No? I'm getting a decimal 5 by 30. So 600. 1 minute. So 600. 600. 600. So 600. So 600 divide by 20 into 15 into 6. This is 100. So then this would be 5za. Then 1 by 3 I'm getting answer. per day the tank, for how many days did the water, 4,000 into 150, 4,000 into 150, 4,000 into 150 liter. So 4,000 into 150 divided by 1,000 if I do, you get in meter cube. So this will be 4, no? So 15 fours are 60, 600 meter cube only I'm getting. 1 by 3 I'm getting answer. What is the answer given?
So, what's the answer? Sir, I am getting like 3 days.
It is where I'm doing wrong. 600. The tank measures 20.
So, the length of the tank is 20, breadth is 15, height is 6, total
So 20
population is
into
4,000. And the consumption of water per head per day is 150. So water consumed in one day will be 4,000 into 150, no?
4,000 into 150 liter.
Liters, yes, sir.
If I divide by 1,000, I'll get in meter cube.
Yes, sir. I didn't do that. So,
If they want in liter,
so if we do that and don't
because
convert it into
Dhwani,
meter
if you
cube,
see, because if their dimension of tank is given in meter, are you getting me?
yes, sir. So if we don't convert into meter for now, it will be 60 lakh liters. So
60 lakh
and
liter divide by 1,000.
yes, so that will be 60
100
lakhs.
meter
If we
cube.
leave it there, and
Huh.
then we can find the capacity of the tank, which will be 20 into 15 into 6, which
Meter
is
cube.
meter cube. Yes, sir.
So,
So that will be 1,800 meter cube.
1,000
So
meter cube. That is
yeah,
meter
when we
cube.
convert that into liter, it will become that will become 18 lakh liters. So we can do 60 lakh divided by 18 lakh, which will be 3.
So 1 minute. So see this 1 minute. So where I'm doing wrong. This was I was getting 600, and then that I divided by 20. 20 into 15 into 6 now. So 20.
Yes, sir.
The 20 into 15 is 300. 300 into 6 will be 1800.
Yes, sir.
By 1800. That is 1 by 3. Now, what you are doing, if you do in the term of liter, so the volume you are getting is how much? 1800 meter cube. So if you
Yes, sir. When we convert that, it will become 18 lakh.
into 10 to the power 1 meter cube means 1,000 liter. So
Yes, sir. 3.
1,000 liter. This is 18 into
18 lakh.
5 liter. 18 lakh. And
Yes, sir. So
here this you are getting is
60 lakh.
into 150. Total is 4,000 into 150. 4,000 into 150. 4,000 into 150. 15 forza is 60. And then how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So means this is 6 into 10 to the power 5 liter.
Sure, 60 lakh, no?
60
Yeah.
6 lakh.
I wrote.
Are you getting?
Yeah, 6 lakh. 6 lakh. Yes,
So,
sir.
so the number of days will be 6 lakh.
6 lakh divided by 18
lakh. So that is 1 by 3. So
3 days, sir.
1 by 3. 6 by 18 only. 1 by 3.
Okay, sir.
So,
Sir, I'll check the answer in the book 1 second. Which question was this?
This was question number 5.
5. Okay. 13.5. So it says 3 days.
I think there's a calculation which that answer is given wrong according to me. So because I did by both the way. I'm getting 1 by 3 only.
3 days, sir.
Yeah. So I think this is 1 by 3. I think that is an error. I think so.
Okay, sir.
Because there's nothing mistake I did. So the other like this 1 minute. Huh?
So you have to do 18 lakh divided by 6 lakh.
So if the tank measure
6 lakh D
yeah.
is equal
Correct,
to,
correct,
yeah.
correct, correct. I am doing it, the end I am doing. So
Yes, sir.
this is the total water, no?
Yes, sir. So it'll be 18 lakh divided by 6 lakh, which is
So
3.
it is a tank measure, yeah. So total water which get absorbed is 18 into 10 to the power 5 divided by population is 6 into 2. Yeah, that will be 3. Okay, fine. So Dhoni, I from 2:30 I have a class. So we'll do one thing. 5 o'clock we'll continue then.
Okay, sir.
What 5 o'clock, na? We at
So
5:30 or 4:30 we
4:30.
yeah,
4:30.
okay, okay. 4:30 we'll continue.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay then. Okay, bye then. So I hope guys you have understood everything what we have done. So we'll continue our discussion in the next class. Thank you everyone.